Question 19. In figure 3, angle ACB is equal to 90 degrees and CD is perpendicular to AB. Prove that CD square is equal to BD into AD. Let's make this figure. CABD. So this angle is 90 degrees, angle ACB. And since CD is perpendicular to AB, this angle is also 90 degrees. Now, let's consider triangle ACB. Here, the hypotenuse, as we know the Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So here, AB is the hypotenuse opposite the 90 degree angle. So AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. Now we also know that AB is equal to AD plus DB. So we say AD plus BD square is equal to BC square plus AC square. And if we expand this, AD square plus BD square plus 2 AD into BD is equal to BC square plus AC square. Okay. Now, the other we know are these two triangles, triangle ACD and triangle DCB. Both of them are right angled triangles. So let's consider triangle ACD. Here the hypotenuse is AC. So AC square is equal to CD square plus AD square. And similarly in triangle DCB, BC square is equal to CD square plus BD square. Let's add the two. AC square plus BC square is equal to 2 CD square plus BD square plus AD square. Now AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. Here AB square is equal to 2 CD square plus BD square plus AD square. We can also say this as 2 CD square is equal to AB square minus BD square minus AD square. We bring CD on the left side, as we know that we have to prove a line where CD is on the left hand side. So we bring it on the left. Now this is equal to AB square minus BD square plus AD square. We bring minus sign on outside the bracket. Now AB square minus BD square plus AD square we know here. So let's substitute it for BC square plus AC square, and this also goes here, minus 2 AD into BD. Again, we know that AB square minus, so BC square plus AC square is equal to AB square. So again we replace AB square here, minus 2 AD into BD, and this goes, minus minus becomes plus, so 2 AD into BD. Now this 2 and this 2 goes, so CD square is equal to AD into BD, hence proved. Let's go to the other part of the question. If P and Q are the points on side CA and CB respectively of triangle ABC, right angled at C, prove that AQ square plus BP square is equal to AB square plus PQ square. Okay. Let's make the triangle. Right angled at C. This is A and this is B. Okay. Now this is Q and this is P. We have to prove that AQ square plus BP square is equal to AB square plus PQ square. Let's consider triangle PQC. Here we join the dotted line. So it's right angled at PCQ. Angle PCQ is 90 degrees. Hypotenuse will be PQ. So PQ square is equal to PC square plus CQ square. Now consider triangle ABC. ABC. So hypotenuse here is AB. So AB square is equal to AC square plus CB square. Now consider triangle PCB. PCB. So PB is the hypotenuse. PB square is equal to PC square plus CB square. And again triangle ACQ, where AQ is the hypotenuse. So AQ square is equal to AC square plus CQ square. So this is what we know. All the right angled triangles that can be made here, we have all these. So let's add the last two actually. So if we add them, we know that BP square plus AQ square is equal to PC square plus CB square plus AC square plus CQ square. PC square plus CQ square plus AC square plus CB square. Now we are basically grouping these two together based on this. So this will be equal to PQ square from above, and this will be equal to AB square from here. Therefore, we prove. Hey guys, if you like the video, do like and share it and subscribe to my channel.